look what just arrived. My Christmas gift. Look at the size of this box. Let's unbox it, but before we continue and start unboxing this, let's make a coffee because there is no unboxing without a cup of coffee. Let's get our mug. Isn't it so perfect? I made it for us crochet lovers. So if you want to get one as well, you can get it on my website, abroneticality.com. Now I'm ready for the unboxing. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, look at that. Let's begin. So this haul is from Celine.com. I've been using that product for a very long time. I absolutely love that product. Super high quality and super affordable. So if you like anything that you see here, I'll leave the link for everything in the description, so feel free to check it out. Don't forget to use your coaster. So the first yarn I can see, it's my absolutely favorite, the Iggy. I needed some different colors of Iggy, so I did order some Iggy yarn. You know how much I love this yarn. It's a number 2 fine 100% cotton yarn. This is the best yarn I have ever used in my life. Perfect for amigurumis and for smaller projects. And I make all of my coasters using this yarn. So if you've been looking for good yarn to make coasters, just get this one. I got some different colors here. And here's another one in green. I can see some others, beige, brown. I might have some others down the box, black, orange. Look at all the different colors I got. Yes. I'm gonna try to put them all nicely on the floor so that we can see a full viewing of everything that I got. Next up, I got my second favorite yarn from Celine. So this one is the Celine. I made my meshy sweater using this yarn and I absolutely loved it. So I wanted to get some more for a different project. So I got this beautiful color. Look at this. In this beautiful blue. I got quite a lot of this because it's for a bigger project. So many skeins of this yarn. Can you guess? As I have mentioned, this one is the Celine and this one is 50% wool and 50% acrylic. My second favorite fiber mixture. My first one is 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. This yarn, you have to try for yourself. It's absolutely soft. It's incredibly soft. I'm just gonna try to remove all of the Celine. I got brown here as well, red, kind of Christmassy, the greens and the reds. And then I got some of the Iggy, blue, white, this beautiful dark pink. Look at this color. When I saw it on the website, I had to try it. Absolutely beautiful. I got some greens that I didn't have any more green in the Iggy yarn. I nearly cried. I got some brown, blue, so yeah, different colors of the Iggy yarn. Let me know in the comments what I should crochet using the Iggy yarn. I really wanted to start doing some amigurumi videos, so let me know if you want to see some amigurumis, some little toys in crochet. Next up, I have some Celux. I really love this yarn as well, and it's sparkly. It's really beautiful. I love this yarn, super soft as well. This one is 55% merino and 42% acrylic, and then it has like a little 3% because of the sparkles. And I got in green. All right, I got a couple of these. Now here on this side, all of stuffing. I really needed some stuffing, so I've ordered some more. Did I say that I ran out of Iggy? Look at that. All this Iggy. Next, I got some Bravissimo 50 yarn. This is my favorite 100% acrylic yarn, and this is the best one to work with my knitting machine, the central one. So yeah, I had to get some more, so I got here in red. So lately I thought of trying different crafts and DIYs, and I really liked working with felt when I was younger, and my auntie taught me how to do some different felting projects. And a few days ago I've tried a few different felting projects and I fell in love all over again with felting projects. So I want to try and do some videos for you guys and some tutorials on different things that you can do using felt. So I've ordered some felt. So the first one I got was the black one, and let me tell you about the quality of this felt. Look how thick it is. When I've learned felting projects, I learned with very thick felting, and the structure was really good. So I really wanted to get a thick and a very dense felting, and this is it. Look at that. Super thick. I really like it. So I got the black one, the white. Oh, this is really good. The yellow, the orange, and lastly, the green. So I got here some more of the Bravissimo 50 yarn because I've also run out of this yarn, so I've ordered some more. And I use this yarn a lot, so I'm always ordering this yarn. Every time I order something from Celine, I always order some of the 100% acrylic yarn because I'm always using it. So I got a couple of different colors: green, black, beige, white, mustard. I got two little baggies. I'll leave them to the end. And now my fourth favorite yarn. It's exactly the sequence that I showed you guys: Iggy, Celine, Bravissimo. And now my fourth favorite yarn from Celine, Swollen. I made the cardigan you saw at the beginning of the video hung on the door using this yarn, and I got some more so I can make another super chunky project. Are you ready? I cannot even explain how much I love this yarn. The colors that they have, the quality of the thread, the material. So this one is 10% wool, 15% polyester, and 75% acrylic as well. One of my favorite fiber mixtures. So I got some different colors. I got this pale purple or pale pink. I'm not sure. My eyes are not recognizing the color. Red, green, black, my favorite color, mustard, and then lastly, white. So these are the 6 different colors I got. They just repeat, as you can see. Look at how many of the red ones I got. Oh wow, it's not gonna work. It's gonna fall. Is it gonna work? Do I have another one? Oh no, I have another one. This is the last one. So how many do I have here? And then one on the floor. Oh well, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And then the last thing inside the box, we still have to go through the little baggies, is this 4mm wire that I really love. I have used in many different projects, so I wanted to get some more so I can use in one of my next projects that you will see. Now let's go through the baggies. Let's start with this one. The first 2 things, don't be angry at me. I never tried and I never used this tapestry needle before, but I've seen so many people, I'm just gonna open one. So many people using it and they love it, so I wanted to try it for myself. I think this is going to be helpful. So let's see in my next project if I'm going to like this tapestry needle. So this is what it looks like. It's angled, the tip, as you can see. If you have used this tapestry needle before, let me know in the comments if you like it. I absolutely love sewing projects together. It's my favorite thing to do when it comes to finishing crochet projects. I absolutely love sewing pieces together, sewing the sleeves, sewing buttons. I just really love, so yeah. I think this is going to be helpful. let's see the next thing inside the bag. Some pearls. So I got some different beads for this next project that I'm planning. So this is the very first one I got. So this is an 8mm bead, and this is a pearly one. It's kind of like a silvery pearl. Next, some more beads. This one is a little bit smaller. This one is a 6mm in this beautiful sparkly white bead. And then I got a green one. This is also 8mm. Let's go through all the beads first. So I got some yellow one. This one is also 8mm. And then two more different beads. I got the tiniest of the tiniest beads. These ones are 2mm in red, and they are so cute and kind of like and shiny as well. It's not like a matte looking bead, it's shiny, so I really like it. And then I got some black ones, and this one is also 8mm. So I got 6 different beads in different shapes and different colors as well for my next project. So stay tuned to see what I do using these beads. And then the last thing, I don't like ending a haul video because I wanted to continue. I got some buttons. This one, absolutely beautiful in red. Oh, wow. I have to show you the back. So I got, how many? So I got 6 different buttons, and this one is a curved button. I don't know if you can see that. And the back is so beautiful. Look at that. So here's the back and here's the front. Look at that beautiful button, and it's curved. Hopefully you can see that. So I got this one for my next project as well. So can you guess now the project? It has buttons. Oh, well, it will have buttons. It's not ready yet. I never used buttons like this before, so I'm super excited to use them. Also, they are super light, so it's not gonna add any weight to your crochet project. So here's everything that I got. Starting in this corner, all of these are Iggy. All the different colors that I got here, and that's Celine. And then here I have Celux, the green, and then all that of Celine. And then here I have the Bravissimo 50. And then all of these here at the end are the swollen one. And this is my haul. This is everything that I got. Stay tuned for all the fun projects that I have coming up using all of these yarns, and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And also let me know in the comments your video ideas using these beautiful yarns so I can pick a few for my future videos. So I really hope you have enjoyed today's video. I hope you had an incredible, amazing Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Happy crocheting!